Have you ever found yourself struggling to come up with captivating titles, scripts, and descriptions for your YouTube shorts? We have the solution for you. Introducing the Shorts and Reels Assistant, your ultimate solution to the age-old problem of how to generate short titles, scripts, and descriptions. Let me walk you through how it works. Simply head over to the GPT store, search for the Shorts and Reels Assistant, and start chatting with the AI. Need catchy title ideas? Just ask, and it will whip up 10 viral suggestions in no time. Next, ready to script your next Shorts masterpiece? Provide the assistant with a prompt, such as write a YouTube short script for a video titled 24 Hours Eating Only Pink Food Challenge. And voila, it'll generate a script tailored to your needs. But wait, there's more. Crafting descriptions that entice viewers to click is crucial. With the Shorts and Reels Assistant, generating compelling video descriptions is as easy as a few clicks. Just ask for one, and it's done. See how easy that was? With just a few prompts, the Shorts and Reels Assistant effortlessly crafts engaging titles, scripts, and descriptions tailored to your content. Then enter prompt as craft 45-second script for shorts on title, a surprise science experiment, and within few seconds it will serve you perfectly crafted script. Plus, with the ability to adjust the tone of script, you can ensure that your shorts match your style and personality perfectly. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos.